Welcome to class today, Algebra 2 students, on this Friday the 17th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to learn some more math and to take a quiz today. Let's jump right into today's announcements. Here we go. First of all, at this time, please turn your homework in from yesterday. Stop. Make sure your name is on it, please, and turn it in now at this time. Page 438, numbers 11 through 28. Incompletes, there are none. Please remember, students, if you're in the room, like today, on the day of a test or a quiz, you will take it unless you've contacted me before the class period starts, okay? Today we're going to take a quiz and we're going to take notes, all right? Now the video today finishes up lesson 8.6. Yesterday we looked at solving exponential equations, and today we will be looking at solving logarithmic equations. Guys, this material, as the year progresses in this class, is going to get tougher and tougher. You are going to need to be organized in your notes so that you can go back and use them for a resource whenever you need to. That is the main reason I have you write the lesson number and the date each day you take notes. You really need to be able to look at an equation and know what kind it is. Is it linear? Is it quadratic? Is it exponential? Is it a radical equation, a logarithmic equation, absolute value equation, etc.? Guys, you should be able to do that by now. If you can't look at an equation and recognize what type it is, then how will you know which steps to use on the equation? It's very important you know how to recognize equations, okay? There's your teaching video, about 27 minutes today. If you don't finish that, please finish it over the weekend and come to class on Monday ready to work on homework on this assignment, on these notes here, and also we'll probably take some notes too on Monday. Now, I'm hearing good things about your behavior. I really appreciate it. It makes my job easier, and hopefully this will allow students next year to be able to take the same class that you're taking now, okay? Please be sharp today. Now here are the stats for quiz 21. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 2 A's, 2 B's, and 1 C. Hope and Haley, 2 highest grades in the class, a 95. Now, guys, I'm not there to talk to you. I don't want to embarrass anyone, but I'm confused. If I'm wrong on who was in class on Wednesday, just email me. Say, Mr. Earhart, you made a mistake. But I thought Miss Carroll said that Lydia and Kendra were in class on Wednesday. Guys, if that's true, and again, look, if you guys get mad at me, that's fine. I can't help that. I'm not mad at you guys, but I'm confused. I don't think I'm going to count your 2 quizzes unless you can email me and correct me on this. If you'll go back and listen to Wednesday's intro video at 1:47, I say it's just like a normal quiz. It must be turned in first period, okay? Well, it was never given to Miss Carroll first period, so you guys, now later on in the intro video, I said, if you go back and listen, you'll hear me say this. I said, if you don't want to take the quiz, then feel free to take it home and have a copy of it. I mean, if you're not going to take the quiz, I don't care. But if you're going to take it, taking it home was not what you were supposed to do. So I need to know if I have the right 2 people and why I should count. I have to be a teacher that says what he means and means what he says. Okay, so talk to me about that. As of now, those 2 quizzes will not count, but I need to hear from you if you have any questions. Okay, your first mistake was 5 points off. Your second mistake was 5 points off. Every mistake thereafter was 10 points off, okay? So please check my work. I've not made the correction video yet, so I'm not sure how long it is, but it's there. In fact, I might do a correction video for each person. Even for the 2 quizzes don't count, I will still do a correction video to help you, okay? So you look at the list. I'm not sure yet. There'll either be 1 correction video for everyone, or there'll be individual correction videos, okay? Let's go over today's quiz. So please pause the video, make sure you have a copy of today's quiz, and then restart the video at that time. Please remember your quizzes must be finished during the class period, and they must be turned in to Miss Carroll. All right. Okay. Number 1, solve that without using a calculator. solve that without using a calculator. All right. And that fraction is real small for number one. That fraction is 1/2. Okay? 1/2. Number two, expand that completely. 3, 4, and 5. Solve those exponential equations. And 17 is a bonus, okay? Try that and see how you do on it. All right? That's all for today. Please get to work on your quiz and your notes. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Bye.